How to add custom AI chatbot to WordPress in minutes. You can do this by using various popular plugins here. So let me tell you some of the plugins. The first one is Chatbot plugin. Right, just go to Google and search for Chatbot plugin here and you can get it, right? If you're not getting, then you can just write here, for example, for WordPress, right? And once you access the WordPress, we also have this option for the plugins. So don't worry regarding this. As you can see here, ChatGPT plugins, or you can just use here. For example, let me show you, right? And one of them is Chat Base, right? Now this is a chat base. Now you can use this. So you have to navigate to the plugins, click on add new, search for chat base, which we can see here. You can also do it from Google. And once you click on it, once you just open it up, just go and click on get started or install, right? So if you see any of the option here, just go and click on it. And after installation, just open it up and click on activate. Go to these settings in chat base option, enable your chatbot ID, which you can find in your chat base account, and click save changes. Now here you have to verify installation. So visit your website front end to see that chat-based chatbot widget appears typically in the bottom right side corner. Now how you can use this GPT bots here, this is another thing here. So it's really easy. You can just go to the GPT bots, right? It's one of the, you can completely use it for free, and click on new bot, and this is another option by the way, and choose to create from scratch or select a template. Set a parameter like response length and upload knowledge document for training. Copy the provided integration code, paste the code into your WordPress HTML where you want the bot to appear. Now save changes and publish your site to make the chatbot live. Right now, this is a third one, which is using Fastbot. So fastbots.ai is also one of them. You can also use it. I mentioned the steps how you can do so. It's exactly the same thing. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.